You asked, how to divide 4704 by 4 using the long division method. 4 divided by 4 equals 1. 1 times 4 equals 4. 4 minus 4 equals 0. Bring down 7, making 7. 7 divided by 4 equals 1. 1 times 4 equals 4. 7 minus 4 equals 3. Bring down 0, making 30. 30 divided by 4 equals 7. 7 times 4 equals 28. 30 minus 28 equals 2. Bring down 4, making 24. 24 divided by 4 equals 6. 6 times 4 equals 24. 24 minus 24 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 1176.